You see that? There's no chance of falling off. So, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Suswagatam, my lovely people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and welcome you all back to one more tech episode of Vicious Tech Vibes. Yes, today also we're going to have a nice unboxing and review of a tech product, that is the OnePlus Buds Z I recently purchased. So this is the same like that only. When you buy an Apple phone, no, you want to move into an Apple AirPods. From then you want to buy an Apple MacBook. Then you'll buy it like you want to buy an Apple Watch. The same thing is happening with me also. I am a OnePlus fanboy. So I know I've been following OnePlus for many years. I was using the OnePlus 5T before, now I'm using the OnePlus 8 Pro. So whenever OnePlus releases a new product, no, I'll have that urge to go and buy that, even though I don't have money, but in the end I end up buying that. So that is what is happening now. So I recently bought this OnePlus Buds Z and I'm really happy about this. So before going into that product, obviously unboxing the banta hai. So you guys go and see the unboxing and come, and then I'll meet you guys with the review and my user experience of this product. Okay. So I hope you guys liked the unboxing video. So this is all that comes in the box. We get a Type-C charging cable. So all OnePlus devices are using the same lightning charger. And we have few pairs of earbuds which has medium and large ear sizes. And a lot of paperwork as usual. And this beautiful case and the nice OnePlus Buds. So I'll just put this on and then I'll talk to you guys. So you will get the look and feel of how it looks, and I just put it up. So this is the case that we get with the OnePlus Buds. This, I'm very much happy with the design because it is like a capsule kind of design and it is very sleek and nice, and it can go into any kind of jeans pockets or even your shorts pockets. So I'm really in love with this nice design. So, and the next thing I like about this is the opening pattern. So it feels very much premium. It gives you a nice feeling when you just open this case also, and the buds are kept in a very zigzag pattern. This is a very nice thing because I have noticed a lot of AirPods or something which is like they keep playing with that opening closing of the case, but in this case it is not like that. It feels really premium and nice. So I think the design overall is very nice with this beautiful glossy white finish and the OnePlus logo in the top. Next, talking about the buds are kept in a zigzag pattern. So it is actually nice to actually keep this in a zigzag pattern. It is nice and premium, but the thing is, for the initial few times you will not know where to keep which one, but once you get used to it, it is very nice. And one more thing that is very good about the case is that it is all magnetic. So if you just keep your earbuds near only, it will get attached and fit inside, and it fits perfectly. See that? There is no chance of any fall or anything of the bud because it is magnetic. So that is a very nice thing. Overall, the quality or the build quality of the product is around 8 on 10 with a nice glossy finish and a very premium style finish. So talking about the buds, actually this has silicone buds, like which is my favorite part of the buds, because silicone tips are perfectly, so it becomes an in-ear earbuds and it fits perfectly. And I'm talking about the comfort. I've been using this bud since around 3-4 days, and I've never removed it off. From morning till evening till the night I sleep, I usually wear it, and it's so comfortable that you won't even feel that it is like present here. And the one more best thing about it is it doesn't fall off. For example, I'll do the shake test. See, now I've inserted both the earphones properly. You see that? There's no chance of falling off. It is so perfectly in here and it fits perfectly, and the comfort is Vera level. So if you ask me how much I'll give for the comfort of the earbuds, I'll give you 10 on 10 for the comfort, because I'm really happy with how perfectly it fits and how it is like, there's no fear of it falling off. So I think overall the comfort of the earbuds are like So I've been using this for quite a long time. I've used it for even running as well as when I was walking around, and I felt that there's no issue with it, and there's no reason you have to be afraid of buying an AirPods over a wired like Bluetooth earphones. So next, talking about how well it can pair. The pairing process is very, very simple. In case you're using a OnePlus, if you are a OnePlus user, what you have to do is just keep this AirPods near your phone and just open the lid. The OnePlus device will automatically detect it, and it will show you whether to connect or not. So when you click on that, it will get connected. From then on, anytime you open the lid, it will automatically get connected. So there is no issue with Android phones. Yes, there is one difference. If you don't have a OnePlus device, there are a lot of customized option. If you see here, you have a lot of gesture control buttons. So these were not customizable before. These were only customizable by the OnePlus with the OnePlus devices. But right now they have brought an app called as Hey Melody app, with which you can control their gestures as well as in other Android phones and not only OnePlus phones. But in OnePlus phones, it comes inbuilt. You go into the Bluetooth option, immediately there are customizable options where you can just customize like what double tap should do, what single tap should do. Everything will get customized and it comes out. So pairing is very easy, and I've heard a lot of reviews also where they try to pair it with an Apple device, so it was also smooth and successful. There is no problem with the pairing, and yes, pairing also is like 10 on 10. One complaint I have is that there is one notification bar that comes up when I pick up the OnePlus buds. It shows the charging point, but what I felt is it was initially coming up, but after a few usages I don't think that notification is coming up. I am not exactly sure how that comes up. If you guys, anyone knows of how that notification is coming up, please. I rarely got the notification. Initially I used to get it when I bought when I paired it for the first time. From then on I get it only when my battery is low. So I'm not sure exactly how that notification bar works. So if you guys know, please comment down below. Next, let's come to the main part of the OnePlus buds. So when you buy a vehicle or when you buy an automobile, the first thing that asks you is mileage, how much kitna mileage deta hai. So similarly, when you buy a TWS or a wireless Bluetooth earphones or something, the first thing that will ask you is how much time will the charge stay on. So in terms of charge, OnePlus Air, I'll tell you why. First thing, it supports fast charging. So they give you a Type-C charger. So this is the same as your phone charger also if you're using a OnePlus device. So fast charging is involved. The second thing is the total charge including all my buds and the case came up to 2 days. I'll tell you how. So this earbuds, once you take out from the case and use it from 100%, it will take around 4.5 hours, 4.5 to 5 hours to completely drain to below 10. If you are using a normal videos, you're just watching movies, videos, and listening to music, then from 100 to 10 it will come around 4.5 to 5 hours. Then what I do, I put it inside the case, close it for half an hour, and in the half an hour it moves from below 10% to around 92%. So that was one beautiful thing I liked about it. So you watch a whole movie, go for a lunch break and come back, again it is charged and again it is usable. I charged the first day in the morning. From then on, the case came up to 4% of charge only in the second day night. So overall, when it comes to battery ke मामले में same thing. Now let's next talk about switchability of device. So that also many people have doubts on whether can we use the same buds in a different device and is it easily switchable. So I use this earbuds both in my phone as well as in my laptop behind, and switchable is very easy. You guys can see a switchable button here, right? So when you just long press that button for 3 seconds, it gets switched from one device to another. So I keep gaming in my laptop and I feel like I see some notification in my phone, I have to go and check it out. I long press 3 seconds my buds and it gets switched to my phone immediately. So in that mamla also I like the OnePlus buds very much. It also comes with a playback option that when you remove one earbuds, it will automatically stop. And when you put back that, it will automatically start. Now let's talk about the main part of this OnePlus buds. It is about the sound quality and how the sound actually comes up in this device. I'll tell you, if you guys are a normal earphones user, you'll feel a lot of fun and a lot of happiness when you wear this OnePlus buds. One thing, it fits perfectly inside your ear, which means that you get perfect sound. Okay, the bass, the treble, everything is like decent enough. It's not very low. The vocals are very nice in this. But if you are not much into technical musical thing, if you guys are a normal earphones user and you move into this buds, you will have a lot of fun, because there's a lot of things happening inside. Let it be a bassy, then it will like must bass. If it is treble, it is treble. If it is vocal, it is nice. So again I'm telling you guys, if you guys are normal earphone user, these are the perfect one for you guys. But if you guys are too much into technical musical thing and you want the perfect pitch, the perfect bass and the perfect treble, everything you guys need, then I don't suggest this one to you. Next, talking about the microphone, the whole audio that you guys are hearing right now is from this microphone only. So this is how it feels inside. It feels perfect, and the call quality is also really nice. I've been talking in my phone, I'm using this in my office calls and all, and no one has ever complained about the sound quality or how it feels. So overall sound quality, the mic is also good. So outdoor, how you guys will be able to hear, you guys go and see this clip. I just went for an evening walk, so that time I just shot a simple 1 minute video. So as you guys can see, I just came out for a walk here, and I just stopped by this place because this is one busy road here and you can hear a lot of vehicle noise. So I wanted to see how much my mic is able to catch up and how is my voice coming. So that is the reason I'm taking this video. I'm not sure whether I'm able to hear it properly. So this is one of the nice busy roads of place where I stay. The videos about where I stay and some details about that will be there in the next video. So I got this. I was very excited to unbox this. That is why you're getting the unboxing video today. And yes, it is fine right now. I'm not sure how much audio is coming up, so hoping it is all good. So that is how the mic actually feels outside. You asked me about the noise cancellation. Not too much. It is decent noise cancellation. Don't expect too much noise cancellation at all. And these buds are also water resistant. So there's no issue if you guys can wear it in your gym, you can wear it while running, even a bit of sweat on this, nothing is gonna happen. So even when it comes to gaming, I never felt any latency issue. So I was playing games even in my laptop as well as in my phone, and I never felt any latency issues. Overall, if you ask me, for this price of just 2699, if you ask me if this is how much will I rate this, I will rate it 10 on 10 for 2699. So now if you ask me what is the one con till 4 days I'm using, have I felt any con? The first thing is that notification bar. Like when you open AirPods or something, you'll get up a notification bar. I'm not even able to show you guys that because that is not coming up for me. So that notification bar issue is there. Maybe in upcoming updates they'll resolve that. The second thing, noise cancellation. Not much of a noise cancellation. Mic could have been better, and sound quality could have been better for technical usage. So that was the whole informative video of my new product. It is the OnePlus Buds D. I hope you guys really felt it informative and nice. And if you guys have not seen my previous video of my Jeep trekking, please go and check it out. I'll put it in the I button above. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Vishal and I keep on posting entertaining and must videos along with few unboxing videos like this. So please, if you guys are new to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and also hit on the bell button, because in January there's an awesome trip that is coming up. And few planning preparations all will go about that trip, and also there's a lot of other fun videos also coming up. So if you're new to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram to get nice notifications, posts and videos about all the things happening around me. I hope you guys really liked it. So I'm very much happy with this product, especially for the price. I got it for around 2999. So now it is anniversary sale, so you get it for 2699. So I'll put in the link in the description box below, so to go and check it out and buy it and enjoy a nice Christmas and happy new year. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really like the video. So keep helping me and help me reach great heights. So until next time, it's Vishal signing off. Live your dreams, love your life. Bye bye, take care.